If your windows have broken tilt latches that are making it impossible to remove the sash for cleaning, fixing them is way easier than you think. So, first off, you want to check if the tilt latches are actually broken or just stuck. Sometimes they get gunked up with dirt or paint, and a little WD-40 or gentle prying can free them up. If they are busted, grab replacement tilt latches that match your window model. Most hardware stores or online shops carry them. Make sure you have a flathead screwdriver handy because you'll probably need it to pop the old latches out. When putting the new ones in, line them up carefully with the slots on the window sash so they click right into place. Don't force anything too hard, or you could mess up the frame. Once installed, test by tilting the window sash inward to see if it releases smoothly for cleaning. Regularly wiping down the latches and keeping them free of debris helps avoid future problems. One of the biggest mistakes people make with broken tilt latches is ignoring the problem until the window gets totally stuck, which makes repairs way harder and sometimes more expensive. Another common issue is buying the wrong replacement latch that doesn't fit the window type or brand. Always double check what you need before ordering or buying. Lastly, some folks try to fix broken tilt latches using super glue or temporary fixes, but those rarely work and can cause more damage. It's better to replace them with proper parts to keep your windows functioning well. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot if you want to find trustworthy local contractors who really know their stuff about window repairs and other home fixes. Plus, if you're a contractor looking to connect with homeowners who need help, BigHomeProjects.com makes it easy to get matched with projects that fit your skills.